To trade MetaTrader 5, start by downloading and installing the platform from the official MetaQuotes website. Once installed, launch the application and open a demo or live account with a broker of your choice. The MetaTrader 5 interface is divided into several sections, including the menu, toolbar, Market Watch, and chart window. The Market Watch window displays a list of available financial instruments, including currency pairs, stocks, and commodities. Use this window to select the instrument you want to trade and view its current price and other relevant information. The chart window displays a visual representation of the instrument's price over time, allowing you to analyze trends and patterns. To place a trade, select the instrument you want to trade and click on the New Order button. This opens the order window, where you can specify the type of order, such as buy or sell, and the volume of the trade. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk and potential profit. There are several types of orders available in MetaTrader 5, including market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. A market order is executed at the current market price, while a limit order is executed at a specified price. A stop order is executed when the price reaches a specified level, and is often used to limit losses or lock in profits. In addition to placing trades, MetaTrader 5 also provides a range of technical analysis tools, including indicators and expert advisors. Indicators are used to analyze price patterns and trends, while expert advisors are automated trading systems that can execute trades based on predefined rules. To use these tools, open the navigator window and select the indicators or expert advisors you want to use. You can then apply these tools to your chart and adjust their parameters as needed. It is also important to use risk management techniques, such as setting stop loss and take profit levels, to minimize potential losses and maximize potential gains. Overall, MetaTrader 5 is a powerful trading platform that provides a range of tools and features to help you trade the financial markets. By following these steps and using the platform's various features, you can develop a successful trading strategy and achieve your financial goals.